Early humans lived in a world full of danger, where even a small injury could become deadly. A simple injury to the arm could quickly become dangerous without proper care. A simple injury to the arm could quickly become dangerous without proper care. The first step was cleaning the wound, removing dirt and debris to reduce infection. They used plants with natural healing properties to fight infection. To survive, bleeding had to be stopped, using pressure or natural materials. The wound was covered using simple bandaging techniques to protect it from the environment. In severe cases, fire was used to seal wounds, an extremely painful but life-saving method. Broken bones were another serious challenge. They stabilized bones using splints, allowing the body to heal naturally. Rest was essential, giving the body time to recover. If not treated properly, the affected area could become infected and begin to spread. The body fought back using its natural defenses. With care and time, some wounds would heal. But when infection spread, survival became unlikely. Survival often depended on the support of others. Knowledge evolved through trial and error. Some individuals became healers, combining observation and belief. Not everyone survived, but those who did passed on knowledge. Over time, these early survival methods evolved into more organized and advanced forms of medicine.